Alright guys, what's up? So we're back in the truck. It's not time to get rid of the car yet, but I do plan on doing a lot of work over the winter. Some very good mods to the Trans Am. So we're taking all my tools, which I don't know if you can see the toolbox in the back. You should be able to. We're taking that to my boy Gio's house. That's basically the garage for the summer. I don't want to tell you everything that we're doing, but the car's gonna be faster and louder. Overall, I mean, it's gonna be faster at the track. It's not exactly gonna be more horsepower, but it might yield 1 or 2 more horsepower. And I do plan on doing headers. Don't know if I'll be able to pull it off funds wise before the end of the winter, because the first mod I'm doing is a track mod and just an overall fun drivability mod. But that'll be definitely before winter. I'm hoping to get that in the next month or so. This video is going to jump up in date, so all the videos after this will actually be shot a while before this. Very backlogged, and Lincoln's not helping me make videos. I think I'm gonna have to ground him. But actually, speaking of him, I don't know if you guys can see that, but he's in the back seat. He's helping me transport. He's a good kid. I love him. I love him so much. But we're coming to my boy's house, and I'll give you guys a holler once I get there. Alright, so I'm here. Unfortunately, he's not. He's out riding 50s with his girl. Hilariously enough, I got that out myself. It took me 2 people to get it in. It was horribly awkward, but I got it. No problem. Kind of. I still got to get the top on. Got to put the drawers in, all the tools back in, and then we're good to go. So let's do this. So we got it. Just gonna unlock the wheels, throw it back where it was, or find a spot for it, that is. Put a couple things away, then we'll put the tools in. Alright, so no, I don't know how well the lighting is, but this is the new garage for the channel for the time being. This is Garage Giovanni. And these are all his tools. The casting couch for anyone who wants to be on the show, and probably the bikes. This is our littlest mechanic. Oh, he's burning up. He's warm. Had the heat on in the car. Might have been a little too high. So this is my Husky toolbox, and I have no tools in there right now except for BAM! I gotta get the rest of the tools out. So see you guys in a few minutes. I'll get the tools out, and I'm trying to think if I should tell you some of the plans for the car, and I don't know if I'm going to. Maybe I will. I don't know. I don't want to get anyone's hopes up because I don't have any parts yet. So see you guys in a few minutes. My friends got home. So guys, this is my tools. My screwdrivers. All my wrenches and that, ratchets, screwdriver or sockets, miscellaneous, other shit, Bike shit. More shit. Cleaning stuff.
Sorry.
Wheel and taps.
Oh, bitch. My shoes are soaked.
You like my YouTubing, my camera setup?
Oh, shit. I didn't even notice it. Oh, shit.
Need more of those. There you go, guys. That's my toolbox, and this is the garage for wintertime. See you guys next time. Please subscribe.